Okay, in this video we'll take a look at how to upload your own rubric as the criteria on a Snorkl activity. So let's say, for example, I want to do a writing activity for students. So I'm going to click writing right here, and I can put in my prompt right here. So normally you would click here, generate from question, and the AI in Snorkl would generate the criteria for the feedback. But if you want to do this manually, you could click right here where it says set up manually, and then you're going to go ahead and give it a grade span. In this case, the example we're going to use is lower elementary. And right here where it says answer criteria is where you would put your rubric. Now, if you have a rubric that is a typical rubric that's built like in a table, that's going to be problematic here, but there is a hack for that. So what I'm going to do over here, we're going to switch over here to Gemini, and what we're going to do is I'm going to upload a rubric that I've downloaded. So I'm going to come up here, upload files, and on my downloads, there it is right here. So this is a typical rubric that is built as a table, as a PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this here to Gemini, and I'm going to ask it to turn this rubric into paragraph form. So I'm going to say, turn this rubric into paragraph form. So it's going to keep all the same rules and criteria, but it's going to read like you're reading a bunch of paragraphs, which will be easy for Snorkl to handle. So again, this is a little hack you have to do if you want to upload your exact specific rubric to Snorkl. So what I'm going to do here next is go ahead and copy these paragraphs here that are straight out of my rubric. And I'm going to come back to Snorkl, and I'm going to paste that in there, and I'm going to do a little bit of light editing. But again, this kind of pretty much takes what that table rubric has, and then it puts it in paragraph form, which can now be easily done in Snorkl. Again, change it so it would be charts, and then I simply click assign, and you choose your classes and assign. So the trick is to take, if you have a rubric, a specific rubric you want to use, you're going to put it into Gemini. You're going to ask it to, whether it's an image or a PDF file, you attach it to your prompt in Gemini, and then you prompt it to say, turn this rubric into paragraph form, and it will then work it out for you. If you have any questions on this process, feel free to reach out at any time.